Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extract the glowing crystal to get the crystallized mutation in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depths update. Okay, let's get into it guys. When the crystal can be extracted, you will get notification on your server, and then you need to immediately go to the crystal depths location and you will find this glowing crystal guys, and it will spawn randomly just like the treasure hunt, and then you can extract the glowing crystal to get the crystallized mutation with the pickaxe. I cannot extract it guys because as you can see I need pickaxe to extract the crystal. And to get the pickaxe we need to complete this quest, the crystal gathering quest. You need to find the Hank's diary and then you will get the pickaxe. Okay. Unfortunately guys I haven't catched this Hank's diary yet, so I don't have the pickaxe right now. If you have pickaxe, you can extract the glowing crystal like this, and you will get the crystallized mutation. I just tap on that, and that's how you can use the pickaxe. Okay guys, and that's how you can extract the glowing crystal to get the crystallized mutation in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depth update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.